This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Here are four stories we're following today. The first story really is the stock market going in the wrong direction, and this is based on more signals from different Fed governors that the Fed may keep on raising rates. Boston's, Fed's one of their Fed governors, Collins, said more rate hikes are possible as the Fed proceeds with patience. Just more concerned about inflationary data. Treasury yields are up some today, and this has led the stock market to be down more than 1% today. So that's sort of one big story that we're following. As the rate hike also goes, when the inflation news was pretty promising last week, the belief is that the Fed might slow on raising rates, and then the market had gone up a lot the last 2 weeks. Now, the last couple of days, there's more concerns the Fed may keep on raising rates, and that's let the market down the last 2 days. So we'll see where that goes. Second, AMC, the movie channel, movie sort of company, saw their stock drop 29% today as they look at plans to sell more shares to raise capital, so down 29%. Third, there's a story about Disney continuing to have challenges. Disney is down now down 27% over the last year. So that's a serious amount. And finally, there's different thoughts about Nike. Nike's down about 15% year to date. It's down only 5% over the last 52 weeks. But one of the headlines today is that Nike's got a lot of room for growth left, with essentially the Jordan brand has left in it. And that's the thought there. So those are four of the stories we're following today. Nike, some optimistic news, but still the stock down 50% year to date. Disney trying to figure out its future. It's down 27% over the last 52 weeks. The Fed yields, concerns about Fed rate hikes are really taking a toll on the stock market. And finally, AMC just getting crushed today, down about 29%. We'll be back with more shortly. Cannabis stocks have been rising like crazy over the last couple of weeks, and we'll follow that a little bit more closely. Cannabis stocks are actually moved up 30% in the last month after being down for the last couple of years. That's fascinating to watch. And then Bitcoin stuck at about 26,000. In any event, those are four of the key stories we're watching, plus a couple quick footnotes. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity Podcast. As always, we appreciate you listening. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.